The manufacturing industry is undergoing massive and disruptive changes. Trends are combining or colliding to create a very different landscape. These unique challenges include complex global supply chains, longer manufacturing times, higher inventory levels, ineffective scrap monitoring and reduction, competition from new players, the transition to digitalization, to name a few. This new world creates both threats and opportunities for manufacturing. The critical need is to future-proof manufacturers and focus on enhancing the creation of value for customers, while staying ahead of the competition. Introducing YASH4HANA for Manufacturing, an SAP Qualified Partner Packaged solution from YASH Technologies that provides a perfect platform for manufacturing firms to convert their existing SAP ECC systems to SAP S4HANA. YASH4HANA for Manufacturing offers a range of critical insights, including smart business cockpits with a focus on manufacturing KPIs, simplified decisions by leveraging contextual insights, detailed insights on material coverage and shortage, excess material consumption, capacity utilization and scrap materials. The package includes coverage for 2 manufacturing plants, activation of 60 standard apps, including more than a dozen manufacturing-related apps, award-winning manufacturing apps developed by YASH, Mobile Inventory Manager App 3.0, and Sales Rep App, 200 ABAP and Fiori provisioned person hours for handling customizations, data migration for new features on a need basis, train the trainer approach. YASH4HANA accelerates your path to become an intelligent enterprise. It combines the best of both worlds, SAP best practices and YASH's deep industry experience. Faster time to value. Fixed price offering, through a packaged approach and low impact on your internal resources. Wide variety of options to choose from. Valuable user training. Proven experience. Highly experienced team. The roadmap for SAP S4HANA conversion contains Readiness Check 2.0, Process Discovery, Maintenance Planner and PAM, Transformation Navigator, Fiori Apps Library. The deployment scope covers ECC to S4HANA system conversion for one ECC landscape, new Solman implementation and Ever setup. Total duration of 18 weeks. 14 weeks for conversion and 4 weeks for PGLS. In these rapidly evolving times, you need to choose a partner who understands your industry, can help improve your competitive positioning, and strengthen process management without losing sight of sustainability, agility, and innovation. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey towards becoming an intelligent enterprise with YASH Technologies. If it is S4HANA, it has to be YASH4HANA.